This RE/MAX distinctive property video is presented by Phillip Gore. Charming fully remodeled bungalow in the heart of the city. Fresh paint, new tile flooring in kitchen, bath, and laundry. Hardwood floors throughout rest of home. Deck, mature trees, fenced backyard, storage building. Call agent to show, $60 application fee, security deposit is $1,200. Pets on a case-by-case basis, $350 pet fee per pet. For more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Gore at 256-882-2223.